I never thought jelly could be this good. This ginger lemon green tea jelly is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a soothing remedy for your throat. Imagine a dessert that not only satisfies your sweet cravings, but also offers a burst of health benefits. Intrigued? Let's dive into the recipe. Let me show you how to make a delicious and soothing ginger lemon green tea jelly that's perfect for your throat. First things first, brew 2 cups of strong green tea. Let it steep for about 5 minutes to get all those rich flavors. The key here is to use high-quality green tea leaves to ensure a robust flavor profile. Next, grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and add it to your hot tea. Let that steep for another 3-5 minutes to infuse the ginger goodness. Ginger not only adds a spicy kick, but also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe a sore throat. While that's happening, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder over 1/4 cup of cold water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. This step is crucial as it ensures that the gelatin will dissolve smoothly into the tea mixture later on. Gelatin is what gives the jelly its structure, making it firm yet jiggly. Now strain the ginger out of your tea and add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of honey. Give it a good stir. Lemon juice adds a zesty freshness and a dose of vitamin C, while honey brings natural sweetness and additional soothing properties. If you're feeling fancy, toss in some lemon zest. The zest will add an extra layer of citrusy aroma and flavor. Warm the tea mixture on low heat and add your bloomed gelatin. Stir constantly until it's completely dissolved. This step is important to ensure that the gelatin is fully incorporated, giving you a smooth jelly texture. Pour the mix into silicone molds or any small containers. Let it cool to room temp, then pop it in the fridge for 4-6 hours. The waiting time allows the jelly to set properly, giving it that perfect wobbly consistency. Once set, enjoy your new favorite treat. These jellies are not only tasty but also packed with health benefits. Ginger clears mucus, lemon packs vitamin C, and green tea is full of antioxidants. So, next time you need a soothing snack, you know what to make. Enjoy! And remember, this jelly is not just a dessert. It's a delightful way to incorporate some wellness into your daily routine. Whether you're feeling under the weather or just want a refreshing treat, this ginger lemon green tea jelly is the perfect choice. Share it with friends and family, and watch their faces light up with surprise and delight. It's a simple yet impressive dish that's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the soothing flavors of ginger, lemon, and green tea work their magic. Happy cooking! Need a soothing snack? You know what to make. Enjoy!